Welcome to Review Rumble. The best couple activities is probably one of the most exciting and rewarding ways for partners to deepen their connection, create lasting memories, and inject a sense of fun and adventure into their relationship, offering a unique opportunity to step away from the daily grind and focus on each other, fostering communication, understanding, and shared experiences that strengthen the bond between two people. Number 5. Luna Bean Hand Casting Kit. Introducing the Luna Bean Hand Casting Kit, a fun and easy way for couples to create lasting memories together. It's the perfect activity for any special occasion. This all-in-one kit provides everything you need to create a meaningful keepsake. With clear instructions, you can easily make a treasured memento. Looking for a unique gift for your partner? This DIY hand casting kit captures your bond in a one-of-a-kind piece of art that you'll both cherish. Our premium alginate mix captures every detail, ensuring an ultra-precise casting. Anyone can create a professional-grade keepsake at home with our simple instructions and video tutorial. Forget generic gifts. This kit turns a fleeting moment into a lasting work of art, perfect for weddings, anniversaries, or any milestone worth remembering. Turn your story into a work of art with this romantic, one-of-a-kind gift for your loved one. It's a beautiful reminder of the moment you created it together. What we like? Capture your love in a tangible form with this incredibly detailed hand casting kit. It provides everything you need for a fun, shared experience that results in a beautiful keepsake. If you're looking for a unique way to commemorate a special occasion like an anniversary or wedding, or simply want to create a deeply personal memento, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This is a great way to spend time together and create lasting memories. The activities are well designed and engaging, offering a variety of options for different interests. It's a fun and interactive experience that encourages communication and connection between partners. Number 4. BestSelf Intimacy Deck Couples Card Game. Discover the ultimate card game designed for adults. It's perfect for couples looking to deepen their connection through fun and meaningful questions. Explore love, life, and dreams with 170 expert-created cards. They are designed to spark laughter, honesty, and a deeper connection between you. Transform ordinary nights into unforgettable experiences. This deck guides conversations across all aspects of your relationship, making any night special. Join more than 200,000 couples who have chosen this game to build stronger relationships. It's a top-rated choice for sparking deeper conversations. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This deck is an excellent choice for anniversaries, birthdays, or holidays. It's perfect for strengthening any relationship. What we like? Deepen your understanding and intimacy with this expertly designed card game. It offers a structured yet fun way to explore meaningful topics and spark genuine connection. If you're seeking to enhance communication, reignite romance, or simply enjoy more profound conversations on your date nights, this deck is an essential addition to your relationship toolkit. What people say. This is a great way to spend time together and connect with your partner. The questions are thought-provoking and encourage meaningful conversations. It's a fun and engaging way to learn more about each other. Number 3. 35 Scratch-Off Date Night Ideas for Couples. Looking for a way to add excitement to your relationship? Discover 35 unique date challenges designed to bring fun and adventure back into your evenings together. These cards offer a variety of date ideas, from cozy nights into exciting outings. Each challenge is a surprise waiting to be revealed, ensuring every date is a new experience. The premise is simple: scratch off a date, and then you must complete it. There are no take-backs, so get ready for spontaneous fun and create lasting memories. Whether you're newly dating or celebrating years of marriage, these date ideas are perfect for keeping the spark alive. It's a fantastic way to fall in love all over again. Searching for the perfect gift? This is an ideal present for anniversaries, Valentine's Day, birthdays, or any occasion to celebrate your love and connection. Get ready for hilarious, adventurous, and unforgettable dates. These scratch-off cards are your ticket to a more exciting and connected relationship. What we like? Inject spontaneity and excitement into your relationship with these adventurous date ideas. Each card promises a unique experience, encouraging you to step out of your routine and create new memories together. If you're tired of the same old date nights and crave fun, unexpected adventures that will keep your relationship fresh and thrilling, this is the perfect way to shake things up. What people say. The game is a great way to connect with your partner and learn new things about each other. It's perfect for date nights and provides a fun and engaging experience. The questions are thought-provoking and encourage meaningful conversations. Number 2. CHUCKLE Hand Casting Kit for Couples. Preserve your special moments with this kit. It creates a detailed 3D mold that captures fingerprints, rings, and skin texture, perfect for anniversaries or as a lasting gift. This complete casting kit includes molding powder, plaster, paints, brushes, finishing tools, and a display base. You'll have everything needed to create a beautiful hand statue at home. Use cold water between 60 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit for more working time. Hold still for 3 to 5 minutes. The entire project takes about 45 to 60 minutes to complete. Our kit provides step-by-step instructions and a tutorial video. They will guide you through creating a professional and stunning memento, an everlasting keepsake. This kit is ideal for couples, but it also works for 2 adults with a baby's hand. Create a cherished holding hands mold for generations to come. Create with confidence. If your first cast isn't perfect or an item is damaged, contact us for support. We want to ensure your forever hands casting kit becomes a lasting keepsake. What we like. Create a cherished memento that truly captures the essence of your connection, down to the finest details like fingerprints. This kit not only provides all the materials for a beautiful hand sculpture but also includes a display base to showcase your creation. If you want a deeply personal keepsake that can even include a child's hand, making it a multi-generational treasure, this kit is ideal. What people say. The game is designed to spark conversation and encourage couples to learn more about each other. It includes a variety of question types, from lighthearted to more intimate, catering to different comfort levels. The cards are well made and easy to shuffle, making the gameplay smooth and enjoyable. Number 1. Loopy Couples Game, Date Night Box. Tired of the same old routine? This game is designed to make your night together unique and memorable. Get ready to learn, laugh, and love each other more. Inside, you'll find 150 cards, a playing board, and all the instructions. Just spin the arrow, pick a card, and let the fun begin. We've even included a satin ribbon to keep things exciting. Add some spark to your relationship with this exciting game. It's designed to ignite new desires and reveal unexpected ways to please each other. This is your chance to truly get to know each other better. Through engaging questions and creative challenges, you'll discover new sides to your partner. Looking for a gift for him or her? This game is a fantastic way to bring you closer than ever. You might just uncover something new and wonderful about each other. Enjoy a fun and romantic experience that strengthens your bond. It's the perfect way to create lasting memories and deepen your understanding. What we like. Transform your ordinary evenings into extraordinary opportunities for connection and discovery with this engaging game. It's designed to foster laughter, learning, and a deeper appreciation for each other through creative tasks and thought-provoking questions. If you're looking for a fun, interactive way to strengthen your bond, understand your partner better, and add a spark to your relationship, this game is a fantastic choice. What people say. This is a great way to connect with your partner and have fun together. The questions are thought-provoking and lead to interesting conversations. It's a perfect date night activity that sparks romance and intimacy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.